Ayan, dumating na ang books from Amazon.com para sa batch 3 ng sponsorship ng Mental Wellness Care Pack. Buksan natin. Okay, so, tadan! Finding my way home. Holding on to memories. Yan. At, oops! Ang lipad. So, ngayon, hot from the box, siya ay diretso na sa kanyang paglalagyan dahil ibibigay natin siya ngayon kaagad. Okay. So, ito po ang bagong i-offer ng Just Be. Ang stress relief pack. So, wait lang. Kasama sa stress relief pack ng Just Be ay ang isang kopya ng lipad. Siyempre, ang mga prayer cards. These are optional. So, anybody, kung hindi ka Christian or hindi ka Catholic, siyempre, aalisin ko yan. Importante ay you have the stress relief pack and, of course, the 21 days of calm ng Megumis box. This is in collaboration with Mama PH. So, this is actually the Just Be Megumis box stress relief pack. Yan. So, swerte ng ating recipient. At ito po ay sponsored ni na Ate Ruby Romores at ni Marie Shushman from the United States of America. So, yan. Badutin ko na. Ayan. All set na ang Mental Wellness Care Pack ng isang beneficiary galing kay Marie Shushman at Ate Ruby Ramores. Salamat po. So, nandito na po. Na-deliver ko na sa kanya. So, yan. Basa mo na muna. To everyone, please cherish the book and remember to read everyday. Tapos po, mental health. From Ruby Shushman. Taga US. Isang taong supply to ng babasahin. Ang dami. Laki. Yan ay 13 stories of hope. Ano yan? Mag-read ka 6 minutes a day, at least 6 minutes a day. Malaking tulong yon para mag-protect ka from suicidal ideation at saka mabawasan ng 68% yung stress mo. O, tama-tama, di ba? Na-stress ka lately. So, patapos na rin ang kanyang stress para mabawi mo naman.
Hirap nga ako mag-late.
Kasi diba?
May daming issue. So, thank you sa pagbigay sa akin ngayon. And sana pagpalain kayo ni Lord. Marami pa kayong matulungan na kagaya ko. Thank you ulit. At magagamit ko naman ito kasi stress ako palagi. Ayun lang. Thank you.
Now, I am doing the second pack. Na ang kasama ay Holding On to Memories and Finding My Way Home. Yun. At saka, dahil ito ay Mental Wellness Care Pack, this is under my collaboration with Charisma Day. Shout out kay Ate Brody. Coming soon ang aking deliverable sa'yo. So, may kasama siyang itong guide. And, of course, the prayer cards. The Jubileer in Filipino and Tagalog. The prayer to Saint Joseph. And the prayer for those experiencing mental illness. So, ito yung Mariana Journal. Kapartner po ito nung Finding My Way Home. Since it's a journal, it comes with a bookmark. Marian, the many titles of Our Lady, Mama Mary. And ito yung journal. So, it comes with Angelus, how to pray the Rosary, and so, ang emblem ng Heart of Our Lady, Immaculate Heart of Mary. Ayan. So, yan po yung journal. Nakasama, kapartner po siya na this one, Finding My Way Home. Yung tinatawag natin na Marian Mental Wellness Care Pack. So, pinagsama ko na po siya kasi dalawa yung sponsors ng recipient na to, na si Ate Maria Agnes Bahita at saka si Sister Rufina Jorge. And now, it also comes with this, the Saint Faustina na journal naman that has a bookmark also, and the prayer of the Divine Mercy Chaplet. Yan. So, kapuluy po yan. So, it teaches how to pray the chaplet. And, syempre, fixie image of Saint Faustina na ginuhit ni Ate Claudine. Tsaka yan din. Ng Charisma Day. Yan. Kita ba yung logo? Medyo malabo. Biglang kumilimlim. Ayan, there it is. So, the Mental Wellness Care Pack encourages the recipient to journal and read stories of hope. Ang kapartner niyan, Saint Faustina, is the book Holding On to Memories. There. And this is a story about a chapter in my life and my journey of healing. On the other hand, Finding My Way Home is based on the true story of a youth of Novaliches who suffered clinical depression and as well as demonic obsession. So, this speaks of this shares his story of healing. Paano niya nagawa yun? Alamin sa pagbasa ng Finding My Way Home. So, I'm almost done assembling the pack. Thanks for coming. There. So, syempre yung guide teaches how to be done. So, yun. Because justly, I advocate the healing of mental health through a holistic approach, science and faith. Alright, so there, and there, I'm done packing this set for the second beneficiary of our Mental Wellness Care Pack, batch 3, set 1. So, it comes with a free card from Megumi's Box, courtesy of Mama PH. So, this is a teaser from their set, the 21 Days to Come. Ito na po, at naibigay ko na sa kanya ng Mental Wellness Care Pack.
Hello po. Please cherish and use these books and journals to unlock your mind, body, heart, and soul, and spirit. Remember to pray for your sponsors, Maria Agnes and Rufina Jorge. Always Agnes New Testament. To Miss Maria Agnes, Mahita, and Miss Rufina Jorge, thank you very much for Agnes to always. Wish us answering and kapag po sa akin po, wala akong bakit.